Lam so go joto nai tongnai my contest 3 pra YouTube channel kaisa job notification ongkhormani oboke notification ongkhorka 18 December 2024 Mia ongkhormani abongke yesterday teacher recruitment board Tripura TRBT website oke katal notification ongkhorjauka job abongke physical education teacher telangjanai STPET teacher telangjanai abongke Noronugi man tongana jagawa post vacancy tongo jagawa physical education teacher talangjangnai abongke advertisement katalongkhormani hinke unreserved category umbage 65 SC 21 S3 umbage 39 total vacancy tongo 125 hinke amani bisingo tongo 125 post ni bisingo 5 post tongnai reserve PH category umbage tongnai EX serviceman umbage duita tongo unreserved 1 tai ST1 tongo hinke amorong kisan ID educational qualification nangnai jaga mention khlajak bachelor of physical education BPED ebake bachelor education BPE ebake bachelor of science BSc health and physical education and degree in sports with at least 55% as per the National Council for Teacher Education Recognition Norms and Procedure Regulation 2009 abai mention khlaijak tongo education qualification samni mili norok oborong no nai norok apply khlaimano aboke physical education teacher talangjak tongo oro qualification mili angke norok o jaga phone naidi nongno ide mili at least 50% mark in BPED degree ebake BPED integrate 4 years professional degree qualification da mili norok nai naidi ebake o jaga mention khlaijak tongo norok nai naidi tai and B number tongo Master of Physical Education MPED of at least 2 years durations from any National Council for Teacher Education recognized institution obake mention khlaijak tongo desirable tongnai having knowledge of Bengali eba kokbrok tongna nangnai realization up to 5% in the qualifying mark will be allowed to the candidate belonging ST/SC PH category bon bagai 5% mark qualifying allow tongnai S limit tongo 40 years orte apply claimanai 5 year realization tongnai o jaga bo ST SC PH category EX serviceman bongni bagai 5 year realization tongnai bongni 45 years orte apply claimanai Escal noronogi man tongana 20,475 fixed per month abah ke tongnai 75% ke abo level tongnai 9 online form fill up solinai start nai abongke 15 January 2025 o jaga mention khlaijak 4 PM ni sime 22 January 2025 saringni 4ta evening asajorti last date noro apply claimanai online form fill up claimanai abongke and fee payment last date tongnai abo mention khlaijak 24 January 2025 saringni evening ni 4 PM jorte norok fee payment claimanai tai o jaga mention khlaijak tongo admit download claimanai norok 7 March 2025 4 PM to 14 March 2025 4 PM jorotoi norok admit card download claimanai norok date test tongnai o jaga bo borok sirika 23 by 23rd March 2025 okay test najangnai aboni examination nangnai tai time duration or mention khlaijak tongo 12 noon isme to 30 PM jorotoi 2 hours 30 minutes by mention khlaijak tongo tai o jaga bo test center bo mention khlaijak tongo Agartala ono center khlaina bongke tai test bini o jaga mention khlaijak date rok abo admit card rok mention khlaijak tongnai Zaro jaga job rok khlai tongka noro NOC certificate nangnai norok omorongno mention khlaijak norok omorongno kisa follow khaidi online fee payment tongnai abongke 300 ka unreserved category bagai tongnai tai ST/SC PH candidate bongni bagai ingke 200 fee tongnai online form fill up abongke physical education job norok teacher khlaina musung tongnai norok jara qualification milinai norok online form fill up khlaina rakdi o notification ate kaham ke sina bagui norok pdf download khlaina di description link rijak tongo direct norok website thangai norok aro download click hainga ka download khlaimanai norok ajago ke thangai kaham ke te sina bagui norok pdf download khlaina di তাই তেনেকে বা YouTube channel subscribe khai kongke subscribe khaina di te bell icon sinata pokdi kada kada video upload khai pro notification thangso gina bagai